Hi everyone, welcome back to the Declarative Academy. Today, we're unlocking the secret sauce that keeps support teams lightning fast. Salesforce case escalation rules. Ready to power up? Let's dive in. We're going to explore why escalation rules matter, build Tier 1 and Tier 2 queues so cases never wander off, create an alarm clock rule that knows exactly when to bump a stalled case, and run a quick test to prove it works. Picture Noah Larkin, the brand new VP of Services, sipping an oat milk latte while support cases stack up like dishes after a holiday dinner. His decree is simple. Tier 1 agents get 4 hours to solve a product case. After that, Tier 2 takes over, and Noah wants an immediate heads up. Think of an escalation rule as the traffic controller that makes this happen. If a case idles too long at the Tier 1 light, the rule flips the signal to green, reroutes it into the Tier 2 fast lane, and fires off email flares so everyone knows what's happening. Open your Trailhead playground or sandbox so we can attempt this together. First, we need 2 queues. In Setup, type Queues in Quick Find and click New. Call the first one Product Support Tier 1, move the case object into selected objects, add yourself and Noah as members, and save. Repeat the process for Product Support Tier 2. Think of these queues like coffee shop counters. Tier 1 is the busy front barista, and Tier 2 is the seasoned pro who tackles every complicated triple shot macchiato that comes through. Now let's build the rule shell. Still in Setup, search for escalation rules, click New, name it Case Escalation, tick Active, because a sleeping rule helps no one, and save. Open the new rule, click New under Rule Entries, set the sort order to 1, and tell Salesforce exactly which cases to watch. Choose the field Case Record Type, set the operator to equals, and the value to Product Support. Keep business hours on default. Tell the system to evaluate the moment the case is created and save. We've effectively said, clock starts now if the case is about products. Time to give the rule its muscle. Under Escalation Actions, click New, then set Age Over to 4 hours. For auto-reassign case 2, pick Queue and select Product Support Tier 2. In the Notify section, choose Noah Larkin and the template Support Escalated Case Notification, and also tick Notify Case Owner, so Tier 1 gets the memo. Save, and you have a digital safety net that never forgets to escalate or to say, hey, heads up. Let's test it. From the App Launcher Open Cases, click New, choose the record type, Product Support, and click Next. Fill in the details. The origin is phone, pick any product, type electronic, reason performance, subject laptop power, description laptop won't turn on when the power button is pressed, then save. Head back to Setup, search for case escalations, click Search, and admire the escalate at timestamp, exactly 4 hours ahead. That's proof your escalation's working as expected. In just a few clicks, you've created queues and programmed rule entries. Now, return to Trailhead to verify your work. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Declarative Academy for more Salesforce tutorials, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy trailblazing.